To capture what's happening both visually and in terms of your audio into OBS from Zoom meetings, this tutorial is going to set you up with all of the steps. So step one is open an actual Zoom meeting. Hop in there, add some video, add some audio to it, get it set up to where you would normally do a Zoom meeting with you on camera, with your audio enabled, etc. Then open OBS. In OBS, to add the visuals from Zoom into OBS, click the plus button down here at the bottom under Sources. Then I recommend doing a display capture. This is going to seem confusing at first. This is for people that have one monitor or multiple monitors. Trust me on this. Do a display capture, and then what you're going to do is call it whatever display you're going to put Zoom on, whichever monitor Zoom is going to be on, and that you're going to full screen Zoom on. I'm going to do it all on this one monitor, so this will work for everybody that's watching this. So we're going to call it monitor 1, okay? So what we're going to do, see, it's capturing everything on this monitor all at once. With the display drop-down menu here, you can select which monitor you'd like to capture. If you're not going to do your first monitor, maybe you have another one, you can do the pop-down and you can select a different monitor. For example, I've got one over there. We're all going to do it all on one monitor. Generally speaking, you don't want your cursor to be seen when you're in a Zoom call, so uncheck the capture cursor box and hit OK. As you can see, it is now capturing my entire screen here in OBS. That's exactly what you want. Before we go actually recording the Zoom call, what we're going to do is we need to add our audio. Not only do we need to add our audio, we need to add the audio of all of our participants so that all of our participants' audio shows up here within our audio mixer. So what we're going to do that is go back to that handy plus button under Sources. We're going to do an audio input capture. This is going to be input capture from your personal microphone that you are talking into. So let's call it mic so you don't get confused and hit OK. Select whichever device it is that you are going to have your microphone coming from on your computer. Mine's the Focusrite Solo. Yours is going to be whatever yours is, and hit OK. As you can see, my mic is getting a signal here in the audio mixer. You can see the levels popping in there, but that's only capturing my audio. It's not capturing the audio of the participants that are in the Zoom call. We need to bring their audio over to OBS so we capture everything that's going on. So what you need to do is add another source here by hitting the plus button and select audio output capture. This is going to capture, let's say the audio is coming through your headphones. Let's say it's coming through your speakers. Let's say it's coming through a mixer. It doesn't matter what it is. You can call it guests, just to keep everything straight, and hit OK. Then you select whichever device you are outputting audio into on your computer, whether it's your speakers, headphones. Choose that device right here. This is your output, what you're hearing everything through on Zoom conference, and hit OK once you've selected that device. Now, once your guests are talking in the call, you will see their audio levels popping up right here under guests. You will see your audio levels popping up here under mic, and now everybody's audio is being captured all at the same time. Cool. But what about the visuals, you may be asking? This doesn't look like a very good recording, right? It's recording OBS. So the reason why we set it up like this is that you can now hit the start recording button and or start streaming button right over here and right over here in OBS. Whether you're streaming this or recording this, it's up to you. You hit that button. We're going to do start recording. Then you can minimize OBS, maximize the Zoom call, and you and everyone else on your Zoom call, as you pop up here on Zoom, you will all be full screen recorded in your call. You can do grid view, you can do full screen view, you can do all of those using the controls within Zoom, and you guys just do your call normally. And OBS will be capturing your audio and your video and all of the visuals at the same time. When you're done with your call, what you can do is just put Zoom to the side, pull open OBS again, and hit stop recording. And just do a test if you would like to confirm that everything worked great. But I'll show you, just in this example, that whenever you go full screen with all of this, it will work properly, I promise. So what we're going to do here is go to this video example, and I'm going to turn down my volume on my speakers. And as you can see, whenever I full screened there, you saw that? I hit record here at the beginning of the video. Then I full screened my Zoom. And as you can see in the video recording, it's recording a full screen version of the Zoom call, and everything is working great. So if you need to send this recording out to your colleagues, to anyone else later, you can edit it, or you can just send them this version that just has a few moments at the beginning with you transitioning from recording into going full screen. That is your decision. So let's review really quick what this means. This means that everything on the screen, whatever screen you decided to put in here as monitor 1, will be captured. And all audio that you can hear and all audio that you put into your microphone that you say will also be captured within this recording method that we just talked about today using OBS Studio. And if you would like help with your technology setup, your home broadcasting, your business's solutions, I can help you. If you go to awalldigital.com, you schedule one-on-one coaching with me, click the button, and then just scroll down the page. You choose your day, you choose your time, and then you just fill in your information and pay, and boom, I'm on a one-on-one video call with you, helping you with all of your technology challenges, setting everything up, and increasing your quality to something that's probably better than everyone else in your industry and in your space, and helping you succeed through online broadcasting.